Today's Kirundi word of the day is ego. Ego. The meaning of the word ego is yes. The pronunciation of the word ego is go. Go. Ego. Repeat after me. Ego. Here's an example on how to use the word ego in a sentence. Ego ndabishaka, meaning yes, I want it. Repeat after me. Ego ndabishaka. Ego ndabishaka. Here's a usage tip on the word ego. You can use it simple and direct. A fun fact about the word ego is tone can show excitement or seriousness. For example, if you said ego or ego, as you can tell, those two egos are totally different. So use it accordingly. Comment ego if you got this word. In yesterday's video, we learned the word murakoze. Click this video to learn how to pronounce it and how to use it in a sentence. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back tomorrow for another word.